Hi First Global teams. Today we are going to be talking about one of the options to start programming on First Global, Blocky. Blocky is a JavaScript library based on a Scratch type platform, where the users drag and drop blocks into a canvas in order to make a logical program for the robot to read, making it a very visual and intuitive way to start programming. Blocky is a great way to start programming if you have a little to null experience programming with text-based languages. Now, let's talk about why your team maybe want to use Blocky as your programming tool. Reason number one, it's a fast way to start programming if you don't have any experience with it. Because of the visual support of the libraries that are on the left side on the screen, which contains the necessary instructions and logical statements to program a robot. Reason number two, the programmer does not need to use a computer or laptop to create the robot code. Instead, he can use the Amazon Fire tablet that is provided on the first level kit on a comfortable way, unlike with the Java option. Reason number three, because of the block order and color separation, in this tool it's easy to find errors and debug code. Reason number four, due to the fact that this tool is used mainly by novice programmers, there's a lot of resources and manuals that can help you with the path of programming a robot.
We hope that this video helped you with the decision of choosing a programming tool. We will let you some manuals made by first to help you starting programming in Blocky. Also, wait for more videos about how to do certain actions in this tool that may help you in the competition, as well as our team's social medias. If you are also interested in the Java programming tool, here you have a link to the video we have about Java. We are Team Mexico. See you later!